All right, so while I'm waiting for it to boil up, real simple, switch on the side, turn it on. This is gonna tell you what the pressure is at. So obviously it's gotta move up to probably more the yellow. This is just your pressure gauge to adjust how much pressure you had. I have it set almost at like all the way. This is your wand with the trigger. And then you're gonna get an end piece like this that just you can attach it directly to the wand or to the stick. What I found with the stick was that it was bending on me as I was pressuring a lot of things on. So I just took a hockey stick and did it like that. That way I could add a lot more pressure, because what's gonna happen is this is gonna bend on you. So some kind of support would be pretty good, especially if you really wanna get in there. And they come with a bunch of different ones that you'd wanna do as far as hardwoods, and it has a big wand on it, on the end of it if you wanna use it. So what we're looking for is in the green section. I don't want it to go into the yellow. It says once it's in the green, it's ready to go. So looks like it's ready to go right now. Clean this up. So as you can see, that is a pretty good job right there.
The whole floor of the truck was just filthy with coffee and Coke stains. It was just nasty. You can see some runoff there that I haven't wiped up yet. But I'm using this McCulloch. Where's the name? There it is. McCulloch steamer. Works really well. This is what the floor of the truck looks like everywhere. You can see all this Coke, coffee, slime all over the place. So I just gutted everything. I took the vents out, and I am just steam cleaning the heck out of it because it is completely nasty in here. So I thought I'd give a little action shot of this steamer, and this thing's just phenomenal. Watch this. I mean, this is all dried up Coke or whatever. Who knows what that stuff is. Anyway, you get the idea. It's just making quick work of all this. And then I'm just going back along with a very dirty microfiber towels now and soaking up the schmutz. But yeah, it's doing a good job.